Prince's Gardens. 4 stars. Stay in the heart of London. Located in South Kensington, Prince's Gardens is one of Imperial College London student halls of residence open to the public as bed and breakfast accommodations during the summer. Location. Reasonable rates, friendly staff. Small but clean. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Great location, clean and comfortable. The location. The simplicity of the check-in and out process. The view of the park. The cleanliness. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.